All right, for you Mopar fans, I wouldn't really call this a Mopar, but it's a 1964 Dodge Valiant convertible. Either you love them or you hate them. I have my opinion. I'll keep it to myself.
Hard to see. It's in the middle of some bush.
Push button tranny.
And it's been pretty much gutted. Someone liked a lot of soup. Good thing we don't have any deadly spiders and snakes up in Canada.
Anyway, the only reason why this car's cool is what's underneath the hood. And no, not a Hemi. Next best thing though, my opinion. Oh, fail. Damn Dodges. Oh, there we go. Bam! Slant 6. I'm thinking it's probably a 225. Judging by the most turds and the acorns and all that good stuff that she's been for a while. Sitting here for a while. Valve cover. Loose. Yeah, there's a rocker shaft.
I'll stay like that.
Yeah, should be all right. One barrel. I think that's one barrel. Choke. Throttle.
We have throttle this time.
I wonder if this one will be victorious, unlike the Ford. It's probably matching numbers airplane.
Yeah, it's missing the top though.
Yeah.
Not sure what the big rag over there is for.
Who knows? Well, let's see if this should run. I have total faith in this. Leaning Tower of Power.
It's not aluminum.
No, they only made 50,000 of those, apparently. Maybe some of it is an aluminum head, but... Well, I guess we'll put a battery in this. I'm sure this is one that me and Chris will agree on and we won't make fun of each other, but can't go wrong with a Slant 6.
Yeah.
I think they're going to start coming popular again.
The only thing I can make fun of is because it's convertible.
Yeah, it's ugly as sin.
It's a nice little car.
Oh, yank the motor and drive it off a cliff. Or push it in that case.
Someone put a high performance flex fan on there.
Like I said, leaning tower of power. You don't want to mess with this thing. Yeah, it's got oil.
Check the oil.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Born ready.
Born ready.
We got some nice red tranny fluid. And we found the keys for it. I'll just put that
there. Well, we're not going to run it long enough to... Chris, why bother? It's not going to make you sleep better. There. That Chris. Yeah, okay, people. It's holy shit, the horn works. All right, I guess, yeah, see if it'll turn over. Oh, wait. Oh, how the frick did they run this thing?
Hitting the
power steering.
Power steering?
Yeah.
Well,
that's why there's a bent blade, I think. No, Lordy. Oh yeah, there's a broken blade. That's why I don't like to... Oh, maybe not. No, it's just... Oh yeah, try it. Watch yourself. Get your head out of that way of the fan. It's one of those shitty fans, those flex fans. Try it again. Alright, that's good. I think she might have a little bit of a weak starter. Plus note, they're not hot. Well, that's good enough for me that it turns over. Let's try to put some fuel. I don't know if we're getting sparked.
Oh yeah.
They're on that side and buried in. But I say we just go for right to the gusto and put fuel down and see if it turns over.
Will be your magic.
Yeah, that fan is a little...
Yeah, that's a little annoying. Okay, I'll try. Oh man, the worst part about this whole deal is walking around the bush.
getting inside.
Been here for so many years. Oh, this is a high performance fan.
Except it's hitting the blades are hitting the power steering.
That's fine.
Oh. You stay clear of that stupid fan.
Don't worry, I'll do the throttling, so.
Well, we know the points are working.
Yeah.
Is this being neutral or park? Or?
It's in. Oh, that. Yeah, it's in neutral.
Okay. Give me a minute. Fire up. Again.
Something's smoking a little bit by the starter. The starter doesn't.
Yeah, see that's a little warm down there. Alright.
Okay.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, solenoid might have little issues. You know. Oh, little warm. Cool. Might have some acorns yet. Oh, that's hot. That's cool. Alright, try it again. Yeah, alright. Might have to put a starter in it. The starter's smoking.
Yeah. It was smoking from the back of the solenoid on top of the starter there.
I gotta say. Oh, 1 for 3. And what ran? Wasn't a Ford.
This
Not
thing
a
ran.
Dog ran.
It fired and popped, but who knows?
It ran.
Chevy. It fired up.
What is Chevy?
Yeah, well, just same thing. It fired up.
We'll find another dog that started.
This thing started.
We may work on this.
I consider it a start.
Yeah, it's just the starter. Was the starter getting hot at all? Or?
He was smoking
Yeah.
out of the back of the
Oh, yeah.
the solenoid.
Something corroded in it.
Like I said, I did hear this thing run. That is 20 years ago. Put the matching numbers air cleaner back on, Chris. It's missing an element. That's probably in the bush that some kid probably threw off. Oh, what is this?
It may live.
May live. It
Starter in it.
Oh yeah, I changed. We've got a bunch of starters. Change the starter.
probably will never leave this spot.
I don't know. If I could get it running, tied up, I'll drive it around here.
Oh, around here.
I want to. What I want to do. If there's 3 of us today, or 4, we've got 4 vehicles running in this yard, and we drive them around. How many people can say that? Car's been sitting for 25 years and just get something driving around. We got 11 acres to drive around.
Well, I believe that one started, so that's a win. Somewhat. It's a half.
I say quarter. It farted.
Dodge.
Okay, here's another one. Will it run? This is a Dodge Diplomat. I do believe back in the day this was Paul Bryan's car. I think he gave it to Ricky.
That is the gentleman that sold Kevin the Falcon.
Yeah. I bought it, Brian. Anyway, if I recall, memory serves, this thing's probably been here for about 20 years. The transmission, I do believe, is dead in it. That's why I came here. But we were just wanting to maybe gather parts for Derek's Studebaker, and I think for whatever reason he wants to put a small block Dodge in it. So this, if this one does run, if it does, it's like I said, it's been sitting here for 20 years. It will be a good candidate for a rebuild for the mighty Studebaker. But
someone tried to keep it on his road as much as possible. That's been all welded, all.
That's very tinny.
Yeah, welded tin right over. Same with over here. It almost, I could have swore that's a tin can that they flattened out.
Oh, look at that. Dodge. You don't see that on a Chevy.
Air conditioning.
Oh, I thought that was a piece of wood for a second. Okay, so like I said, this car's been sitting here for about, I don't know, 15, 18 years.
Does it have a carburetor?
I'm gonna say yeah, 'cause these.
And we're guessing this is a 318?
Yeah, it's an LE, I think, or LA or LE, whatever the hell they call them.
LA.
LA. So yes, there's the carburetor. This thing's actually pretty intact under here. Huh, I'll be jiggered. Huh. A lot of little varmints.
Looks like it's got all the right components.
Typical Dodge. Mismatched wires and everything else, but they're cute little engines. Clutch fan.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if this thing will fire. Hey. At least you know there's no points.
And we know the keys are in it. Well, might as well go check out the Corinthian leather.
Those seats are made for you know what.
No rich Corinthian leather here.
There's a time when I used to thought
Power windows.
Cars were ugly. Actually, they're not bad. You don't see them anymore.
This thing is a luxury cruiser. I'm pretty sure it's close to fully loaded.
Even power seats.
Yeah.
And no, this one will never get restored.
Many windows. And yes, the keys are in it. Oop.
Heater's going.
We got an oil light, fasten seatbelt. Let's see if.
Huh. I'll be
If
jiggered.
you can see that.
Crank it over.
Oh yeah.
I am.
Do the gasoline thing. Well, I might as well check the glove box. Ooh. We have a clock, and we got nothing in the glove box except for part of a door handle. I'm not sure.
So stupid.
That's an option.
You want to just go for the gusto and put fuel in it and see? Because it's not like it has points. If not, I think there's a few other Dodges we can rob for electrical points, but we can just see for shits and giggles if it will fire.
Yep.
It sounds like it. I'm actually amazed it actually rolled over.
Oh, here, you want to grab that?
I'm not allowed to use these things. This thingamabobber. I'm pointing it the right way, eh? Alright. Alright, Chris. I'm not putting much faith in this.
Got a rear window defroster.
Yeah, that doesn't get the motor running.
Okay, here we go.
Huh. Wow. Okay, also I don't want to run this thing too long if it does. Okay. One second, Chris. I'm amazed. Every time I squirt.
Yeah.
I'm thinking this the accelerator pump could be shot, or who knows. Could be a combination. Hey?
Definitely carburetor issue.
Yeah, but hey, I'm calling this a win.
I got a new motor.
Says it has 54,000 miles on it.
I'm gonna say that's 254,000 miles.
Or 250.
Isn't that usually just breaking it in for these turds?
Like this thing's,
Would you say cherry?
well, no. The inside, compared to the outside, the inside is mint.
Yeah. The only thing this thing's missing is a 3-speed standard on the floor. Anyway, I think we're gonna monkey around. We'll be back in a minute, but go play around. Maybe we might switch out carbs. We'll play around. We'll be back in a minute.
Ready?
Yep.
Yep. See if this turtle. Okay. Anyway, we monkeyed around with it a bit. As you can see, it actually fired up and ran not too bad for sitting for 20 some years. I'm sure the plugs are no good, and cap and rotor probably aren't the greatest. I'm amazed it fired up, and it actually ran not too bad. So I think this is it's going to be a good candidate for a rebuild or a freshen up for Derek's Studebaker. And no, not that one. That's just a parts truck. So yeah, we actually had one running. Too bad it's a crusty, ugly old Diplomat. But anyway, hope you like this little video. Like and subscribe. Spread the word that we got a Dodge running. Have a good one, guys.